Hello trader. So today's video is about 1 minute trading. We will be trading on the 1 minute chart. So let's start trading. Right now I am at AUD USD chart. It is 1 minute candlestick and you can see that the market is in total uptrend, and let me first draw a level. This is extreme level of support, and this is a breakout, which is a sign that we can trade for a call from this level. So now we will wait. Let's move to Euro USD, and okay, here we have extreme level here, and okay, it's a good it closes below, so we can take a trade here. Let me get a confirmation. A quick confirmation will work. Okay, it hit the level. Yes, it's a confirmation. So now we have placed our trade. Let me explain you why I placed this trade. First, this was an extreme level. This was extreme level, which is a sign that market will reverse from this level. This candle tried to break this level but closes below the extreme level, which is again a sign that market will not going to cross this level. Third, what I waited for the market to go hit this level again and gives us a proper rejection, which it did, and we got the confirmation. Let me show you the confirmation first, and then we will remove it. So you can see this was the confirmation we get from the market, and so I placed the trade and we won it because we are using the extreme level and everything was correct in our trade. We can take one more trade here, but not now. And one more thing, if you look carefully here, this particular level is 1.231000 actually, and this is a whole number, and the market reversed twice from this level, which is a sign that this is a strong level and we can use it to go against the trend. And let's wait for this candle. I think we are going to have one more opportunity. Then let me change the chart. Okay, we will try to find more opportunities. Okay, you can see this is bad market, totally ranging, no trend is shown here, and this is a good market. It has good trend. Let me first. Okay, so we have our level of support. We will try to wait for a breakout here as the trend is downtrend, and here also we have got a good support level. Let's wait, and here you can see this is a breakout, so we can place a trade. Let's wait. Okay, it's going to hit the level. I will wait for a rejection. A rejection will be a confirmation. I will instantly place a trade if I get a rejection. It's going down. Yes, it's a rejection. we got 3 rejection actually, and let me check it in the 5 second. Yes, we get 1 2, we get 2 rejection. So if our trade was placed here, it will be the best. As we have placed our trade here, it will be a little risky, so I will place one more trade with this level. And so now we have placed our trade at the right time. The market will close above this particular level, I'm sure about it. So let's wait for this candle. As the trend is uptrend, so we will not have any difficulty placing our trade with the confirmation in the direction of the trend when we have extreme level. In this case, we have the extreme level, and the level was also at the whole number, and so I place a trade. And talking about the extreme level, this was our extreme level. Okay, and if you look carefully here, it came near to this level and reversed, and we won this trade as well. Let's take one more trade and then I will finish this video. As we are using extreme level, that's why our trades are going well. Using extreme level works best. Okay, we have extreme levels here. We will wait for a breakout here, and in that case this is a breakout. So okay, here also we have extreme level, and that's it. Okay, this is a breakout, and we kind of missed a trade. So let's wait for the market to go down, and if we have the rejection, I will place one more trade for a call. Okay, okay, it's going down, hitting the extreme level, trying. Okay, okay, so no problem, the level has not been broken yet, so we can place a trade. I want the market to go down hitting this level. Okay, let me draw it again. This was the level. Let me see if we have the rejection. No, we didn't have the rejection now. And the market closes above the level. Now we can wait for a confirmation. Okay, it's going down. Yes, it has the rejection. I place my trade with the rejection. Yes, so we have done everything correct here. We have got the rejection, the market was weak, the last candle was weak, the level is not been broken, and we are trading with the trend. Everything is correct, so let's wait for the result now. What's gonna happen? As we are in a good uptrend, so we will hope to get a good win here. 11 seconds are remaining. Okay, but no, it's moving down. How? Okay, let me check in the 5 second. We lost this trade. The last two candles crossed the level. No problem, we will take one more trade here. Let me cancel it. We will wait. We have here a good level of support. Okay, let's wait. Let me find. Okay, we have here a trading opportunity. The level, this is an extreme level, and yes, this is an extreme level. We can take a trade here. It's a good candle, sign of reversal. We need the market to go down, but it's not. It's moving up. We will switch chart. We have here level also. I will take one more trade by winning it, and then after that we'll finish the video. Okay, if this is not a breakout, we can wait for the next candle. If this is a breakout, it will be a good thing. As this is not a breakout, we need to wait for the next candle. The last candle is very strong, you can see. And here the same case, the last candle is strong too. And in here it's having so many wicks, so I will not prefer trading here, but I will do trade here. This was resistance before. The trend is uptrend, and we can trade for a call from this level. Let's wait. We have a trading opportunity in GBP USD, in AUD USD, and in Euro USD. Okay, this is a breakout. I wanted this breakout to happen. Okay, so it is a breakout. Now I want the market to go down. Let's see where it is going to go. It is also moving up. Here is also a breakout. Okay, in GBP USD, everything is moving in upward direction. There is also a breakout. No breakout here. Now we are left to wait here, and let's wait for the market to recover. We have lots of trading opportunity actually here, and 4 charts, every chart have a breakout. Okay, it's moving up. We need to wait in here, in here, and in here. I'm switching charts so that I can take a trade. Otherwise we can miss a trade if we stay with one chart. So I'm just keep switching the chart so that we can see the trading opportunity. Okay, AUD is giving me a hope. Let's wait for this. Moving upward. Okay. I think we have a trade here. Yes, we do have a trade here. So, yes, we have a trade here. Let me get a rejection. Yes, this is the rejection. Let me show you the rejection first, then we'll explain you why I placed this trade. So this is the confirmation you can see, and let me explain the trade first. So if you look carefully, this was a breakout, which means that the sellers break this support level, and they will continue to go down. But what happened? The market reverses again from this level. Let me draw this level. The market goes up to this level, it again go down, it closes here, it again goes up, it again comes down, touch the same support level and reverses, which is a sign that the market is respecting this support level, and the last candle was weak and was a sign of reversal, which is a doji, and so I place this trade. This is what why I placed this trade. So this was the confirmation. I placed this trade against the trend, but the condition are that we have a strong support here. The last candle was also a doji, sign of reversal, and the market tried to cross this level but was not able to, and we have the rejection as well. So I placed this trade. That's the reason why I placed this trade, because I was not hoping that the market will go more up. So that's why I placed this trade, because I want to finish this video here. So I think I have taken, yes, 4 trades in this video as well, and one is in the loss. We have done completely right everything which we have lost the trade, but somehow we lost because it's a part of trading. Sometimes market moves in any direction without any prior notice. So this is how it works. So try to be calm when trading and try to keep yourself relaxed, and always maintain a discipline in your trading. Don't trade for the whole day or for like 6 hours, 7 hours. It will not gonna work. Try to maintain a discipline, as I explained in the last video why maintaining a discipline is very important. So I will make more videos in the coming time, but till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.